Well, everyone, iOS 18.3.1 actually may have been a little bit of a bigger update than we originally thought. So for one, if you're already on iOS 18, I would highly recommend all of you to go ahead and install iOS 18.3.1. The main reason for this is a bug fix update, this is a security update. It's going to be one of those important updates that I'd highly recommend installing. But there's more than that meets the eye. So I was scrolling on Reddit, and it seems like a lot of people are having a lot of kind of having like a good time with this particular update in this particular version. So it looks like the performance in particular is what a lot of people are stating and hitting on of how they're basically scoring this particular update versus the other one. And they are seeing within iOS 18.3.1, this is basically the fastest version of iOS 18 so far. So even though it's a small update, even though it's a minor update, there are many reports stating that this update in particular is actually pretty fast. And from their multi-core scores and benchmarks that they're making and they're scoring, it looks like it is the kind of the fastest version of iOS 18 so far. So this is something that's actually very, very awesome and very good to report. Now, this is still going to probably also be like the fastest version of iOS 18. It's also going to be the most stable version of iOS 18 as well. So it's kind of like this like multi-part thing where you're going to be getting the fastest and the most important. And this is probably a really good sign. Now, because iOS 18.3.1 didn't really like bring anything to the table, it didn't really change anything. It's just, cleaning some things in the background and bringing a lot of optimizations. I think this is a very, very good sign. And I'm so happy to see that type of, see those types of improvements. Now, one of the biggest problems, not problems, but some people are still experiencing, they're still experiencing maybe some like battery drainage and just overall stability still not being that great and not being that optimized. So it looks like that's still kind of an issue or that's still kind of a problem. But overall, I mean, this is a really big sign. Now, with that being said, there are still some people who state that, maybe overall it's a little bit smoother, but it doesn't feel faster, or maybe it feels a little bit slower. So that might be one thing to kind of keep in mind there too. And I wouldn't just upgrade just because of the performance being better. I would upgrade because of the stability and because of the improvements when it comes down to basically like the bug fixes. So that's basically iOS 18.3.1 in a nutshell. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.